2021 Nissan Nv200 with on here 65,000 kilometers. Oops. And wiper, or the heater motor is toast. I'll bang on it a little bit better there. So the heater motor was pretty noisy the other day, and then at the end of yesterday I got told that it quit altogether. So I don't know, there might be warranty on it, but it's probably easier just to change it. Well, it's quicker to change it myself, obviously. So yeah, you just go to your Walmart and grab it off the shelf. Grab it right here and just pull it straight back. You see there's all these tabs that it just slides right into the dash. I always take out this screw from the bracket if you may not have that. There's the heater motor. That silver screw there is all that holds it in. You gotta unplug it too. Okay, let's try this again. Gotta get that screw up there. Motor, and push the call is trying to tighten it. Then you look for the screw that you dropped. Okay, so that's the new one. This is the old one. The fans on the new ones seem to be shorter. But they still work. That's what they say fits, so. And now the factory one plugs right into the motor. On the aftermarket ones, you just plug the connector right into the pigtail on here. It doesn't plug. I think they must just use a relatively generic motor, and then they just put their own pigtails on them, whatever fits. Yeah, so the plug-in was at the top, so we're going to need to line that up with this hole here. Will go to the right, or towards the front. Stick it in the hole, get it lined up like that. also needs a heater resistor. Yeah, so this thing does still need a heater motor. I did hear this thing the other day and it was screaming away, so I will show you how to change the resistor. Yeah, let's get that clip out. This kind of just pulls away. And right there is your heater resistor, that brown plug there. Hopefully you can see that. You just push on that tab. It plugs in like. I'll try to tap that out of the way. Here's the one I'm putting in. They both look a little crusty right there. I don't know if that's the fuse or... I'll plug this in quick and see what happens. Otherwise, it might be just a fuse. Hopefully. Which I probably should have checked first, but... yeah. Check fuses in these very often, so 250 Nv fuses for the blower. Odd. Okay. And that one's screwed. Check the other one. Oh, wow. Well done. Okay, well, time to look for some, like they're just regular mini fuses. I don't see any spares. Oh, there's a 10 amp possibly. Nope, no spares. Got some actual fuses, so. Resistor in and see if it's any good. Because I do have another van. It's supposed to be coming in, so I can. The fan on it only works on high. Make sure that clip is pulled out of it so it fits back in there. Everything works. Good. 65371. Here's this motor here. It's completely screwed. Bearing's completely really piled up in there. You can barely get it to turn. That explains why the fuses were blown. And it looks like the bearing well, it must have been doing some wobbling because it looks like it was wearing on the inside of the heater box. But, yeah, just went from chirping yesterday. Yesterday morning, the guys mentioned it was chirping. I didn't. Told them I was going to get it in today. Yeah, it went bad really quick. So hopefully this helps someone out with one of these things. Because if you have one, there's a pretty good chance you're going to have to change this at some point, or pay someone to do it for you. So yeah, maybe don't follow the exact steps that I did today, but whatever. I got it figured out. Didn't take very long. Well, thanks for watching.